cabin tour on the Miracle. Here we go. Alright, let's check out the bathroom. Normal bathroom. Yep. Hangers on the door, that's good. And okay. Uh-oh, no safe. Or maybe the safe's over there. Usually they have a safe in the room. Oh, there it is. There's the safe. Always good to have a safe. And then we have some drawers here. Extra mass for fun. And another drawer there. We have a refrigerator. Okay. And my water. And let's go look out on our balcony. Nice balcony. Looking right out the Queen Mary. Okay. That's the end of the tour. Go outside first. And once I get on the elevator.
Hello.
Hello. That would be my steward. I requested a fan that I had to call the guest services, so I'm still waiting on it. So we can walk up. Oh, but this one's going. We'll go into the old elevators where you have to push the button where everyone else is pushing it. I always use my knuckle so I don't